Good morning. All of you can join.
आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
Very good morning to all of you on this Saturday morning. We are taking Magic of Logic live capsule, and today is the 15th Saturday. Just give me 2 minutes. Yes. See, either we are taking it live at 7 p.m. in the evening or 11:30 in the morning every Saturday. And there's so much of confidence from inside and beauty in being consistent. So this is the 15th Saturday, and every Saturday we are discussing some core, very important and nice concept of income tax, which you can repeatedly watch 2-3 times, learn it and score superb marks in exam. Is this a substitute for regular class? Answer is no. Income tax is beautiful. It is very interesting, but it is vast. So for that, if you learn it in different ways, like these Magic of Logic capsule live series of 15 minutes of learning, some announcements are to be made. There's some very nice 2-3 announcements which I need to make, and there is something more to tell you. So just stay connected with us for 30 minutes. My time is valuable, your time is valuable. So let us begin now. Okay, because there's too much of excitement, let me tell you, today is date. क्या है आज? 20th of January. 22nd January, we know India is all excited to have a second Diwali. And here we are today in news. It is that internationally, our Indian chai is declared as the second best beverage in the world. So it's good to connect with people, chai pe charcha, right? Now, here we are, you can do it challenge. It's a challenge to build up the correct mindset of the students for the exam bit by bit. Every day we are doing an activity, and first batch of you can do it challenge is complete, and really all of them have been benefited. Very soon we will announce the date. It's just 15 minutes of exercise. Very soon, with all the other schedules lined up, we will announce the beginning of the second batch. And if you feel any ways I can help you out, just message on concept classes number, that is 929-00065156. Second, most excited to announce that Dipti ma'am is starting face-to-face classes in Hyderabad for taxation, for costing, and of course with a full team with all the subjects in collaboration with KS Academy. So KS Academy is here. We are going to take live classes face-to-face. Fast track batch is starting on 24th of January. For all the details, you can check any of our social media, or you can log into the website of KS Academy Chennai and check all the details. You will learn the concept, you will practice the problems, you will write chapter-wise exam, you will meet the teacher every day. That's going to be like a mirror for all of you. And definitely, you all are hardworking. When you're watching this also, there's that inquisitiveness is there to learn. So, of course, you all are hardworking. Then let us take it to the brim, get the result. Right? So this is the second announcement. Okay, you can do it. Batch is completed. It's successful. Students are getting result, and now second is starting 24th of June, face-to-face classes for taxation, for costing, and of course for all the other subjects, accounts, tax, law. It's a full complete team. KS Academy in Hyderabad is taking live classes. I'm also going to teach these two subjects over there. So see you all face-to-face classes. If you feel, nahi ma'am, Dipti ma'am, रोज आपको मिलने से, आपके साथ प्रॉब्लम करने से, surely we will get the result. That's what is the feedback in the last 2 decades. Then let us meet on 24th. The third important announcement is that Sarthi book is ready. I've literally worked from 15th of November to this 15th of January, 2 months like anything, each and every booster note, example, problem, and especially adjustments, what in problems they are asking in the CMA exam, in CA exam, they are all done in the Sarthi workbook. Okay, so that is available in Concept Classes app. You can download, you can order. No shipping charges and all. Just the material charge is there. So you can order that from the Concept Classes if you want to do self-study. If you enroll for these fast track batches, then definitely there is it's like a free only. Just watch all the details and all the material and all will be given to you. Okay, right. Because I worked hard. Can you see at the back of me? That's my gift for myself. That's a small like speaker, Bluetooth speaker. I'm very fond of music. I feel when you listen kind of music that boost up your energies, your performances go and distracted way. You know, one small experience I want to share. Thank you so much कि आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हैं लास्ट 10 मिनट से. फिर हम जल्दी से कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू करेंगे. It's awesome to keep your mobile aside and study for 2 through 3 hours. I did like 7 hours, 8 hours, not continuous, but in a day, I was preparing this material, and 2 to 3 hours, I kept my phone beside my study table on my bed, and I didn't check it. Whatever कि हाँ ये करना है, ये मैसेज करना है, ये करना है, सब एक जगह लिखा. एंड वो जो क्वालिटी काम हुआ ना, वो जो क्वालिटी पढ़ाई होगी ना, so then the motivation for today is I will do whatever it takes to get my goals achieved. Right? I'm not a CA yet. Say, add the word yet. कोई बोलता है हाँ CA कर रहे या I'm doing CA. I'm not a CA yet, but definitely I will do whatever it takes to achieve my goal. It's not कि मेरे से जो हो पाएगा मैं करूंगा, मैंने तो अपना बेस्ट दिया. That is all like victim mode. मैं बेचारी, बेचारी नहीं बनना है हमको. Right? I will do whatever it takes to achieve my goal. And there's an beautiful एक मजा है उसमें, वो जर्नी में, क्योंकि 6 hours 7 hours, the editing, the solving the problems, the figures should not go wrong, the commas, I don't know what kind of editing I have done. My students say, why you do it? You can give it to some of your students who will do it for you. But there's an honest feeling. So learn, take help of the Sarthi, booster notes, question answers, past exam. It's all a compilation in one book, and you can prepare super well for direct access for that. GST, the notes are ready, best of the notes problems, but answers are not yet printed. They are in pipeline. So I would not give any wrong click. Chalo. Today, we are learning the concept in income tax, that is unutilized basic exemption. This is a term used so many times while calculating the tax and other things. बहुत सारे जगह पे MCQs में ये concept पूछते हैं. And second small concept we are doing is marginal relief. Now, if you want to take 100% of today's class, make sure you watch the earlier Magic of Logic, where I've already explained the slab rates, the tax rates, the surcharge rates, right? Achha, this reminds me, tax amendment video also, the first one is out and the material PDF is there in Telegram. So you can watch that, take notes, and very soon, I was occupied in this Sarthi material. So very soon, tax amendment lecture 2, 3, 4 for direct taxes, GST, revision lectures, all are lined up. And you know my way of teaching, 99% of my lectures are live in YouTube. So if you want to be a part of our learning, subscribe to the channel, comment below. That also motivates us on this Saturday morning. I'm sitting and doing this, and share it with your friends if you feel, yes, this is genuinely good knowledge. Pick up your notebook, booster notebook तो बनाया ना, 15th Magic of Logic series है तो award तो बनता है. मैंने अपना award ले लिया. पीछे I gifted myself this because I know I did an awesome work. And so you do the hard work and then reward yourself na. Amazing maza hai. Chalo, we are here to learn the concept. This is all earlier surcharge concept and all the other stamp duty. These are all earlier magic of the series videos. You can check them. Chalo, let us begin. I'm teaching you right now the concept of unutilized basic exemption. No one says this. This is not taught as a chapter. Just 15 minutes we will complete this, but this is a wonderful knowledge. So the concept of unutilized basic exemption is what? We all know that for individuals, HUFs and all, basic exemption is 2,50,000. If he is a resident senior citizen, then it is 3 lakh. Super senior citizen, 80 years and above, it is 5 lakh. As per the other regime. If you go for default tax regime, then the basic exemption is 3 lakh, then 6 lakh, then 9 lakh, which we have done in other videos. Okay. So right now, what is the concept of unutilized? For this, let me start with an example. एक example लिख लेते हैं ना. Okay. Say, let us say Shanti, she's earning, say, salary, or you can call it as normal income. Computed salary है 1,80,000. She has sold a house, so long term capital gain on sale of building is 8 lakhs. This example is of course printed in the Sarthi material, but still learn it ना. लिख के learn करोगे तो कभी नहीं भूलोगे बेटा आप. Yes. So the normal income is 1,80,000. Long term capital gain is 8 lakh. So this Shanti's age is not given. So just let us take that basic exemption will be 2 lakh. Now I'm solving this problem, and with that I will explain the concept also. Right. So what is the basic exemption? Till what income is exempt for Shanti? It is up to 2,50,000. So what is the normal income? 1,80,000. Correct? What will be the tax rate and what will be the tax? Nil. Up to 2,50,000 normal income, the tax is nil for Shanti, and her salary income is computed salary income is 1,80,000. Still there is, oh sorry, 1 minute. Yeah. Still there is 70,000, which is called as unutilized basic exemption. Oh, you already know it, then it's good. Do it as a revision so that you can do your MCQs, case studies very fast, right? 70,000 is unutilized basic exemption, which is yet not used, right? Okay. Now, what? What is the next income? Long-term capital gain on the sale of building. And that is 8 lakh rupees. In long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain, can I set off the basic exemption? Yes, but not 2,50,000. So I will set off unutilized basic exemption, ye wala, 70,000. Already 180 is used up. Until 250 it is exempt. So 70,000 I will set off here, and only on the balance long-term capital gain, that is 7,20,000, we will pay the tax. Long-term capital gain on building, what is the tax rate? 20%. Very soon we are starting the revision videos of slab rates, of agricultural income, of heads, of TDS, of set off. So check up for the playlist. Okay. Balance long-term capital gain is 7,20,000 at the rate of 20%. Right. So 7,20,000 capital gain pay, the tax is 20%, is coming to 1 lakh. Oh, sorry, it will be 7,30,000. Yeah, 70,000, no? So 7,30,000 pay 20%. The tax is coming to 1,46,000. Surcharge is not there because the income didn't exceed 50 lakhs. So directly on this, health and education cess at the rate of 4%, that is 5840. So the tax payable is 151,840. Check. Check. Please don't take a screenshot. Trust me, dear students. Sync it to ink it. एक बार लिख के करो. कभी कंप्लेन नहीं करोगे कि 3 घंटे में हमारा पेपर खत्म नहीं होगा. ठीक है? So basic exemption is 2,50,000. Normal income 1,80,000. The tax is nil. Unutilized basic exemption is 70,000. And long-term capital gain is 8 lakh. So 7,30,000 pay 20% tax and this. Is the concept clear? Yes. Yes, yes. Very nice question. That can we set off this in the short-term capital gain also? Yes. Basic exemption is allowed from long-term and short-term capital gain. I've made a separate video for taxes on capital gain and age of the capital asset. So check that. But like this unutilized basic exemption, normal income में तो set off होगा, remaining you can set off here. Check this. I will share the Sarthi material and you can check this here. See. We are in the capital gain chapter. This is my own made table, but I'm not discussing ये मैंने एक अलग वीडियो में already discuss कर लिया है. This one separate. Right now it is 1,80,000 is your normal income. Long term capital gain is 8 lakhs. So 70,000 unutilized you set off on 7,30,000. 1,46,000 20% tax and so done. Right. Second concept, very quickly, we are taking today's marginal relief. They will say calculate the tax, taking care of marginal relief. ऐसे कोई नहीं बोलेगा. This CMA inter exam marginal relief separate problem came for 5 marks. Even in CA exams, many times it is coming in inter and final. Yeah, many times the students ask me whether these Magic of Logic series are for final. Of course, yes. So many of my final students are in job. So sometimes they lose in touch. हाँ इंटर बहुत पहले clear हुआ था अभी final लिख रहे. So these Magic of Logic capsules will help you to revise the concept. Right? Chalo. Now, second and very beautiful, very important concept in the basics is marginal relief. You all know the surcharge rates. If not, watch the earlier Magic of Logic series. Surcharge is on tax. Tax is calculated on income. Surcharge is calculated on tax. When your income exceeds 50 lakhs to 1 crore, on the tax you have to pay additional tax in the form of surcharge at the rate of 10%. If your income exceeds 1 crore and it is still 2 crore, then 15% surcharge, then 25. Highest surcharge rate in the normal tax regime is 37%. In the default tax regime, that is section 115 BAC में जो लोग अपना return भर रहे, for them the highest surcharge rate is 25%. Now surcharge is already done, so I'm not repeating. Concept is, say if my income is, let us take up our income as कितना लेके देखें, just the basics. कोई भी एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. Let us take our income as 51 lakhs. Just because my income increased from 50 to 51 lakhs, I have to pay additional tax. But additional tax cannot exceed additional income, na? I'm just saying orally the concept ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यहीं देखना है. अभी हम लिख के भी करेंगे इसको. Right? Okay, I think better I should write and explain, or I should show. लिख के करेंगे so that it is clear. It will take another 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Every time I complete my Magic of Logic series in half an hour so that it's actually a capsule. Marginal relief concept. I'm taking it for individuals. It is applicable for all. Chalo, हमारा favorite है Mr. Beans. If you watch comedy. So Mr. Beans has total income of 51 lakhs. He's not in default tax regime. He's filing the tax in normal tax regime. ठीक है ना? So total income is 51 lakhs. Let us calculate the tax on 51 lakhs. Without ESES, huh? Marginal relief के बाद ESES आएगा. So specifically I am writing without cess. Health and education cess abhi nahi lagana. So now let us calculate the tax on total income, 51 lakhs. Okay, we all know that first 10 lakhs. Can I go little fast for the tax calculation? Up to 250 nil. Up to 250 it is nil. Right? So the first 10 lakhs. Okay. 1 second, dear students. The first 10 lakhs. What is the tax calculation? Up to 2,50,000, or shall I write everything? पूरा लिख देते हैं, चलो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Up to first 2.5 lakh, it is nil. Next 2.5 lakh, it is 5%, that is 12,500. 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 5 lakh to 10 lakh. Next 2,50,000, it is 5%. Okay. On next 5 lakhs, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it is 20%. That is 1 lakh. Okay? So can I say up to first 10 lakhs, the tax is 1,12,500. Okay? अब 10 lakhs के बाद next 41 lakhs. Next 41 lakhs पे 30%. 41 lakhs into 30%. That is 12,30,000. Now see, what is the tax? 1230 plus 1,12,500. Are you all doing with me? Just don't sit and ideally watch, please. As a teacher, when I'm taking efforts to write and explain, promise me you are doing this. You are clicking the picture of your notes, what you have written, and send it in the Telegram. You will get free access to 200 MCQs test. Chapter wise tests are there, and 200 MCQs are there. And that test you can attempt twice in our app for free. If you like the magic of logic, write down the notes, send me the picture that we have written the notes, and I'll be so happy and glad to share this gift with all of you. Right. So tax calculation is 13 lakh 42,500. Okay. This is the tax on 51 lakhs. Okay. Shall I add surcharge? Answer is yes. Tax is calculated on income. Surcharge is calculated on tax. Because the income has exceeded 50 lakhs and it's less than 1 crore, the surcharge is 10%. Okay, right. So surcharge is 134,250. Now what is my tax? 1476,750. 1476,750. Chalo. On the right hand side, I'm writing tax on total income 50 lakhs. If your income would have been 50 lakhs, keep patience, dear students. It takes time to understand the concept for the first time. शॉर्टकट बहुत है कि 5 मिनट में मार्जिनल रिलीफ बता दिए तो वो यहां से आएगा वहां से उड़ के चला जाएगा. If you really want to take the concept and learn it for once logically, what is the tax on 50 lakhs? Same. On first 2.5 lakhs, let it be nil. On next 2.5 lakhs, let it be 5%, 12,500. On the next 5 lakh, it is 20%, that is 1 lakh. And on the next 40 lakhs, ठीक है ना? नेक्स्ट है आपका 40 lakhs, उस पे 30%, that is 12 lakhs. So how much is the tax now? 12 lakhs, sorry, 13 lakhs 12,500. Are you all with me? Acha, will I add surcharge here? No, surcharge is not there because the income is up to 50 lakhs. Once it exceeds 50 lakhs, then you will have the surcharge. So what will be the tax now? 13 lakh 12,500. Okay. Now there are some steps for marginal relief which you have to write in exam, but you need not learn it. They are very simple steps. Okay. What is the tax on 51 lakhs? 51 lakhs पे tax कितना है बेटा? 14,76,750. What is the tax on 50 lakhs? 13,12,500. How much is the excess tax you are paying? Just because your income exceeded from 50 to 51 lakhs, how much is the excess tax you are paying? We can calculate. 1476,750 minus 1312,500. 164,250. Now, this is very wrong. We call it, अरे ये तो गलत है, ये तो जाती है कि अरे just because I earn, how much is the excess income? Above 50 lakhs, how much you have earned extra? 1 lakh. Just because I earned 1 lakh extra, I had to pay 1,64,250 extra tax. Had my income been 50 lakhs, ये था tax. Just मेरी income 1 लाख से क्या बढ़ गई, I have to pay the tax 1,64,000. Tax cannot exceed income. Whatever I have earned 1 lakh, that you keep government. I'm not going to pay tax 1,64,000 because I have earned 1 lakh extra. I want a marginal relief. I was thinking someone will ask this question. Good. Ma'am, for one MCQ, do we need to work all this? No, dear, you can do it in calculator. When you understand the concept, you are doing so many steps. If it is a 5-mark problem, do this. If it is MCQ, do it in your calculator. So marginal relief is 64,250. I want a relief of 64,250 in tax. At the most, 1 lakh extra I have earned, that I will pay. Then what is the final tax payable? Final tax payable is step 1 minus 5. See, my tax payable is 51 lakhs पे 1476,750. वही है मेरा tax. So 1476,750 minus 64,250, 14,12,500. Ma'am, ये तो इसमें 50 lakhs पे whatever tax is coming in that 1 lakh you have earned it. Yeah, okay. 1 lakh I earned extra, that you take government. My way of teaching is little more in depth. Some students they feel नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा in depth है. But ये एक बार करो exam में, even if you don't learn these steps, you will do. What is step 1? Tax on 51 lakhs. What is step 2? Tax on 50 lakhs. Excess tax is 1 minus 2. Excess income is 51 minus 50. That we all know. So we want a relief of 64 from the original tax, 51 lakhs. So what is the tax payable after the relief? 14. On this, इसको ना 5-star खिलाओ, KitKat खिलाओ, इस पे आप health and education cess लगाना. If you put health and education cess here only, can you see my cursor? It will be a mistake. Your answer will go wrong. So calculate marginal relief or add the surcharge or minus the rebate, do all this, and finally whatever is the tax on that health and education cess. So what is the health and education cess? 4% on the tax into 4%. That is 56,500. 14,69,000 is the tax payable. See, that's why I wrote a reminder, dear students, here without health and education cess. How is it? I really want some comments below this video, ma'am. It is absolutely clear. And once you want to write this, pause this video, write it, watch it full screen. One recollection. What is agricultural, non-agricultural income? Calculate tax. Agricultural income, basic exemption, calculate tax. 1 minus 2 is the tax payable. On that, you add health and education. So whether it is step method of agricultural income, step method of marginal relief, and step method of arrears of salary, 89 1 May, what we study, right? So this is how we do it. I hope you followed. I'll show you just 1 minute. I'll share the screen and I will show you from our Sarthi material where I've already written. Agricultural income, and these are all booster notes with all the examples. Usually I take the class in the evening, so bell is also ringing. I'll close very soon. Just check this example on your own. Just a second, dear students. Marginal relief. I will share the screen. So that you can see more of such examples. If you have any doubt, comment below, join our. See, this is it. Just check it. 2 minutes, I'll be back. Yes? All right. रुकावट के लिए खेद है in the live class. So is this clear to all of you? Tax on total income you have to calculate. Just now we did. Yes, same you can apply. If the income is 1 crore and 1 lakh, the tax is this. Yeah. If it is 1 crore, the tax is this. Excess tax. And what is the excess income? 1 crore and 1 lakh. So marginal relief. And on the final tax, ESS is there. Right? So these are all the examples included. You can download Concept Classes app, order this book, prepare for yourself. If you are in Hyderabad, you can attend the face-to-face classes. We are starting on 24th of January for taxation and then followed by costing in the first week of March. Any queries you have, you can join the Telegram. All PDF revision lectures and tax amendment lectures, videos, material is freely available in the PDF form in the Telegram group. Wish you very all the best. Thank you so much for joining in this live. Bye-bye.